Hey folks, this is a Honda Civic 2020 with a 1.5 turbo motor. We're going to check the air filter on this and see if it needs to be changed. Very simple. You need an 8mm socket with a ratchet. There's 4 screws. You got 1, you got 2, you got 3, and you got 4. Okay, loosen them all the way up. They don't come all the way out, but once they come up, they'll be really loose as a goose. Now you're just going to lift this piece up out of the way, and there is your filter. All right, Nick, you want to just grab? Yeah, just hold that for me. We're going to take this filter out. This side always looks the cleanest because that's the part that goes into the engine. It's the bottom half that you have to worry about. So ready? Let's flip it over. Yep, it's time for a filter. See it? You can spread it open and you can see all the little debris in there. And that's why we change the filters. All right, so this is like wearing a mask over your face. If it's dirty, that's the stuff that you're going to breathe. All right, so we're going to run to the store and we're going to go get it. So basically, it just sits in one way. The cover goes back on. All right, it just give it a nice little wiggle, and then we just tighten up the 4 screws and we're good to go. All right, this is probably one of the fastest air filter changes ever. All right, thanks for watching. Ciao.